Hey everybody, we are officially back at the Gaylord Texan for another ice experience. Yes, we are pumped to share this with you in this vlog. Come along and enjoy. Hey everybody, welcome. Teeny and Benj here for a moment, back here at the Gaylord Texan 2025. It is a new ice experience. We're excited to go check out, what is it? Elf. Yes, we're excited about it. We're also going to do a scavenger hunt at the end. A lot of fun. This place is absolutely stunning. Great way to bring in the Christmas season. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Ice 2025. Let's do it. We're here.
I know.
We're back. All right, we are officially back. It's been 3 years since we've been at the Gaylord Texan for ice. New theme, elf theme, so we're excited about this. Going to pick up our jackets, although we bundled up a little extra this time because we were really cold last time. Doesn't look too busy on a Monday night. This is gonna be a lot of fun. The kids are pumped. As you make your way to the exhibit, it starts with showing how these magnificent exhibits are put together. Don't rush past it. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
It's been several years.
I'm a little too hot.
You're hot right now, but...
They do provide these heavy coats, but make sure you bring gloves, scarves, and hats to make sure everything is covered so you stay nice and warm.
This guy.
There you go. Can you help him button up?
Ticket prices vary depending on days and times that you go. But always look out for specials that they run.
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold. Gosh, is it cold? This is how they...
That's all the tools
they use. Yep.
Look at...
In this exhibit, you can see hand-carved sculptures for more than 2 million pounds of ice.
We got our picture taken, right? We're ready to go in.
They know you can't wait to go on the ice slide.
Whatever you do, do not lick the ice.
I will not.
It won't end well.
I will never in my...
Woo, I can feel it's cold already and we're not even in there.
Yeah. My cheeks are
Trying to stay warm.
My cheeks are getting rough.
Here we go.
My cheeks are getting...
Let's go. I can feel it cold already.
The fun has just begun as you make your way through the iconic scenes of the movie Elf. It brings back so many memories and so many laughs. Elf.
Yeah, Buddy the Elf. Look at that. That's cool.
Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
What's one of your favorite scenes in the movie, and see if it's captured in this vlog. The attention to detail. These artists are absolutely world class.
Goodbye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
North Pole crossing into New York City. We've made it to New York City. Woo! Congratulations, you did it!
I don't know if it's actually the world's best copper chucking.
This is cold. Is it? I can't see. Playing in the shoes. Grandma's on ice. Grandma's on ice. Tickle. Woo! We're stuck. It is so cold in here. Looky, Grandma. Oh man, 7 degrees I think in here.
Ah, we're stuck in the door too. It's the imposter.
Get on a throne of lies. You smell like beef and cheese.
Do not move past this piece of information. In fact, press pause right now. This is incredible.
All right, time to be a kid again. And we're gonna go down these slides. Woo, here we go. Are y'all ready to go down the slides?
Yeah.
Yeah? Asha?
Yeah.
Make sure you're on your jacket when you go. Gotta push yourself. Woohoo! Oh. Oh man, I went fast.
All right, let's see how this goes.
3, 2, 1, go!
That's good.
So there is a place where you can get adult beverages in here. We're going after the hot chocolate here in a little bit. Are you having fun?
Yeah, but not my hands.
Are you having fun?
Definitely.
There it is. There it is. Oh my word! You slid too far. All right, so this is our second ice. Which one have you gone to? Which one have you enjoyed most? Let us know down in the comments. What is one Christmas thing that you have to do every year as a tradition to bring in the Christmas season? Let us know as well down in the comments. This is our second time of doing this. Had a blast.
I do not know how you could walk through this particular part and not sing along.
As the song goes, Christmas spirit goes up.
Claus is coming to town. Oh, here it goes.
And a fireplace. Woo!
That's beautiful.
To finish it off, a nativity scene all out of ice. What an awesome touch. Obviously, the ultimate reason for the season. Nativity scene all out of ice. Absolutely incredible. incredible. Beautiful. Oh man, I feel like no matter how warm you try to dress, it's still not enough. My hands are freezing. I'm surprised this camera has been able to stay from freezing. Oh, that was so much fun. We were in there for 30 minutes, I think. Woo, a lot of fun. Y'all survived 30 minutes in there.
30 minutes and 7 degrees. I know.
The walkthrough experience will last approximately between 15 to 30 minutes once you enter the exhibit.
I know.
30 minutes.
We loved exploring the Christmas store as we've come out and checking out all these amazingly themed Christmas trees. Do you have a themed Christmas tree? And what is it? Let us know.
Look, Yeti.
Tickets for the Christmas carousel are $6.99. Snowflow Mountain tickets are $29 and they are unlimited runs. Ice skating tickets are $22.99. Take aim and throw snowballs, a bucket for $12.99.
All right, what are we doing now?
We're doing a scavenger hunt.
Yes.
The 12 days of Christmas.
Yep, getting a hot drink. For $16, you can get a scavenger hunt, which is all over the Atrium, which is absolutely stunning and beautiful all the time, but even more special at Christmas. So we're gonna go explore in there as well and get a hot drink.
Here's a tip. We get a hot chocolate in the Starbucks. It is cheaper than actually at the ice exhibit. Taking in the sights and sound of this beautiful atrium just outside of the marketplace with a hot drink and taking in the Christmas lights and Christmas music, it's bound to put you in the Christmas spirit. If not, you must be the Grinch himself.
Maybe you want to do it as well, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
You got it?
Got it.
Second one done.
Got 4 more, and we're gonna get our prize.
Okay, here we go. All
And
right,
another
gotta
one.
measure them.
And another one.
If you don't know, you can actually come in and enjoy the atrium without going to the ice exhibit. This is a great place to just come relax and explore. You do, however, have to pay for parking.
It's kind of like a food court.
What is your favorite feature about the Gaylord Texan?
What'd you get?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? Let's go. Mama, we've completed it.
Completed the challenge.
The first one was we were overthinking, I think.
Yeah.
So don't overthink it. But there's 6 riddles, 6 puzzles to figure out, and then you get a prize at the end. Everly, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? This place is absolutely stunning. Great way to bring in Christmas season. So amazing. All right, so we have completed the scavenger hunt, the puzzles all over the Gaylord Texan, and we have gotten a little gift. Are you gonna show them? Oh my gosh. Yes, that's fun. It's $16 for it. It's a lot of fun. Go get you a hot drink at the Starbucks or the Atrium, and then go around, have fun, solving the puzzles. And that's such a cute little surprise.
Kids are gonna love it.
Yes.
Let's go show them.
All right. All right. Did you enjoy your time at ICE 2025?
I wish we had more time. to
Yeah,
stay.
we're a little rushed, but
It's getting late.
it is getting late and we haven't had dinner, so we're hungry.
If you've enjoyed what we've shared so far, we would love for you to follow along on our ventures and help this video do well. Perhaps maybe we can get a partnership one day and get to stay in this incredible hotel.
There it is.
You wanna see what we got?
Yeah.
All right, it has been an awesome time here at the Gaylord Texan Ice Experience 2025. You had fun.
Yes.
The kids are with Grandma and Grandpa. I think they are tired. We're going to go and call it a night. But if you've enjoyed this content, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell for any time we drop new content. You stay in the loop. We do all things travel related, especially things like this close to home. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. We'd be more than happy to try to answer them for you. This is an awesome experience to start, again, the Christmas time. A lot of fun with the family. Until next time, we'll see ya. Oh, check out these videos. Bye.
Buddy the elf knew it was exciting. Uh-oh, we stopped it.